Just have a quick question for you. Are you ready to hear how you no longer have to live paycheck to paycheck and how that's possible? Would you like to hear that? Or how about I just give you some benefits of it? First of all, you get a lot more time with your family. You're able to pay off some of those bills, those debts, so you're debt free. And the benefit of that even is that, can you imagine in your present situation if you actually had no debts? And what I mean by no debts, I mean none. No house payment, no car payments, nothing. Just utilities that happen every month. How cool would that be? And that would, I'm pretty sure that's going to reduce a lot of anxiety that you could be feeling. Yeah? And the next thing that's a real good benefit of it that I enjoy is the fact that you're able to help other people, family members, other people, and it's a good feeling when you can do that. So I hope that gave you some idea of some benefits, and if you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, hit the like, possibly a follow, and leave a comment. Let me know where you're at, okay? And then you can check out this link. It's got a cool video, give you an idea of what I'm doing, how I'm getting there, and we can do this together. Enjoy. Bye.